Hearts overflowed with joy on the 12th of July, 2025, as the Jamat gathered at Paris Expo, Porte de Versailles, for a historic and deeply emotional moment, the first Didar of our beloved 50th Imam, Maulana Shah Rahim al-Hussaini Aga Khan. Maulana Hazar Imam arrived, accompanied by Prince Irfan and Prince Sinan. With warmth, grace, and affection, he blessed the global Jamat and offered loving guidance. He expressed heartfelt gratitude to the countless volunteers whose dedication made this blessed visit possible. Later, Hazar Imam met separately with young members of the Jamat, sharing special moments of inspiration just for them, a memory to last a lifetime. During the gathering, the Mufti Saheb of Paris Principal Jamat Khana presented the Baya on behalf of the entire Jamat, and Ayaze Mitha, President of the Ismaili Council for France, extended a heartfelt welcome filled with devotion. To mark this historic day, the community created a beautiful and moving art installation, Ensemble Together, a powerful reflection of our individual and shared stories. Mangrove branches recall the long journeys across the Indian Ocean, from Gujarat to Madagascar to East Africa. An olive tree honors the welcome found in France and nearby lands. A pomegranate celebrates families from Afghanistan, Tajikistan, Pakistan, and India. A fig remembers those who traveled from Syria and beyond. Grape leaves symbolize how we now embrace relatives of many faiths and backgrounds. Each fruit, each leaf, carries a handwritten promise. From members of the Jamat, young and old, to protect our planet, and to serve the Imam and his Jamat with love. In these simple symbols and heartfelt words, the Jamat captured the spirit of unity, gratitude, and hope that filled the hall on this unforgettable day. And just one day later, another moment of profound significance unfolded. On 13th July 2025, Maulana Hazar Imam was warmly welcomed at the Élysée Palace by President Emmanuel Macron, marking the beginning of his official visit to France. Alongside Hazar Imam were his beloved sons, Prince Irfan, Prince Sinan, Prince Amin, Prince Hussein, and Prince Ali Muhammad, a powerful reflection of unity, continuity, and a shared vision for humanity's future. At the Élysée Palace, 3 monumental agreements were signed: an agreement between the French Republic and the Ismaili Imamat, a declaration of intention to cooperate in Syria, a declaration of intention to cooperate in the Indian Ocean region. For over 30 years, AKDN and the Agence Française de Développement have partnered on more than 60 projects in Africa, South Asia, Central Asia, and the Middle East. And AKDN is also a founding member of the Paris Peace Forum. This visit is not only diplomatic, it is a return to a land where Hazar Imam's family has shared close bonds for over 75 years. Maulana Shah Rahim Al-Hussaini, the 49th Imam, was deeply respected in France for his contributions to culture, diplomacy, tourism, and even thoroughbred racing. The Ismaili community, too, has been part of French society for more than 6 decades, quietly contributing to its diversity, strength, and progress. And now, in these blessed days, 12th and 13th July, Maulana Hazar Imam meets the Jamat of France, Switzerland, Belgium, and Côte d'Ivoire, moments we have long awaited with yearning hearts and tearful prayers. This visit is a gift, a renewal of love, a reaffirmation of our unity, a source of deep spiritual strength for the journey ahead. Wherever you are, whatever the time, whatever the age, I am with you. Maulana Hazar Imam.